Hello, my name is Hermes, and I will be describing the new Apple TV model. Now to show you from side to side angle, it's thicker than the older model. All black, and on the bottom it says Apple TV. It shows the Apple sign. And on the top it shows the Apple sign with the TV. That's how you know it's the newer model. And plus, it is 2 to 3 inches thicker than the older model, so that gives you a great sense of how much gigabytes it holds. They increased the gigabyte size so you cannot get below 68. And I'll be showing you the remote. The remote comes with the pause and play sign, volume, menu, and TV connection. This comes with the Apple TV, as well as it comes with the cord and the HDMI. This white light means that your Apple TV is working, it's on, it's functional, and it's ready to go. Now, I'll go through the different applications that the Apple TV has come with. Just one second. TV plugs up to HDMI, and now you can surf and go through the It comes with the title, which is usually for streaming music, entertainment, owned by Jay-Z, TNT, sports news, casting, drama, movies, and so on. Cartoon Network, CBS, Fox Now, NBC, Sunday Ticket, DirecTV Now. See how the Apple TV comes with its own applications, so you don't even have to use any DirecTV or any Comcast. You can get it all on your Apple TV, and the best part about it's portable, so you can move to any city, plug up your Apple TV, and you're ready to go. Fox Sports Go, Stars, Crunchyroll, ABC, Prime Video, Pandora, Hulu, HBO Go, ESPN, Groker, Porsche TV, Showtime, Smithens, Yoga Glow, The Economics, Bravo, Rebel, The Home Depot Show, Netflix, and of course Apple Music, Podcasts, the search button, computers, and settings. It comes with a whole bunch of new applications which sets you up for your entertainment life. There's movies on iTunes that you can also purchase and rent, and TV shows on iTunes that you can also purchase and rent. The Apple TV is very, very, very portable and easy to go with. The touchscreen allows you to just maneuver through slightly and very easily with ease, and everything else is touched by a button. But You maneuver and click. I just click DirecTV Now, and I'll go back to menu with the touchscreen. It's Apple TV. It's one of the greatest devices that's come through Apple, and really, I use it in my everyday life when I travel. It's very light, compatible, and it sets the mood for any situation. Friends, family, company. You don't have to go searching anywhere. All applications are on this little device here. Thank you.